just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. I am out here in these streets and we are at the bare minimum. So let me just show y'all what I have left. Alright, this is the grab and go grab bag cart that is just about empty. There are 3 items on the top, 4 grab bags there, and then all those Valentine cards and everything that weren't really going anywhere, but that's okay. I'm probably going to give those away in the Easter baskets. We are at the minimum down to on our K-Pops, and I had a lot of those, so I have sold quite a few of those. My lollipops didn't move that well this time, but they did move. Back here on this table, I have 1 heart box left. And this one I will roll over to Mother's Day. Just take the Valentine's candy out of it. That's right there. All right, and then these are the sweets from my friend that is also selling her sweets out here. This is the table I had in the middle that had all the grab and go. So we have Tweety Bird and 2 Hello Kitties left. That one and this one. Then I have this little jewelry pack left. I only had one left of those. Got 1 cup left. I have 2 of the foot spas left. And if you remember my videos, I have quite a bit of these. And I have 3 baskets here that are on this table. Got a few flowers left, not a whole lot, but if you remember, this bucket was bubbling over full, and it's at its bare minimum now. And then I have a basket here. And I have those 4 flat gifts there. Now our monster ottoman is still here. So is the other one. And then I have those 3 baskets left. So not a whole lot left for the crafty corner. Thank God. I didn't want to take all of that home. So I'm very satisfied with sales and that we don't have a lot of inventory to take back home. That means we only have to take 1 trip. So we're very excited about that, very happy about that. It has been a great day selling today, and sales have been great in the last 2 days. I still have customers coming in and buying all of these last minute things, which I am definitely selling. So I am holding out until they come on in and get that monster and that monster. Maybe those 3 too. When I get those out of here, then hey, we were gonna call it a day. But thank you all for hanging with the Crafty Corner and tuning in. We won't be going live tonight, but I will be posting this video for you. You all have a wonderful day.
I just came to say